Jamie.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. It's good to see you today.
Great.
Sit.
Oh, did
You got it. Yeah, perfect. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Good boy, Bandit.
he's sitting because he knows how to smile.
Yep. It's okay.
Oh, Bandit. Bandit, bed. Bed. He's trying to sit down. I'm trying to do what I'm supposed to do. Bed.
You're doing a good job. So wait till you get his attention more closely.
Oh,
There
bed.
you go.
Bed. Bed. Good boy. Good boy. Sit.
So go ahead and release him.
Free.
Good.
Sit.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
See.